Hey y'all, in today's video, I'm be having my oldest daughter help me out making our hair growth spray. So we are going to need not 1 cup, not 2 cups of water, but we're going to need a total of 3 cups of water. That's right, total of 3 cups of water. For the fenugreek and the rosemary, we're going to need 1/8 of a cup each. That's right. So 1/8 cup of fenugreek and 1/8 cup of rosemary. And we're just going to stir that around. Actually, she's going to stir that around, mix it up a little bit. And then we're going to get ready to bring this to a boil. So let's talk about some of the benefits of rosemary and how it's good for the hair. Rosemary helps to maintain overall health vitality, which means it can prevent damage that leads to thinning and breakage. Rosemary is also a natural astringent and clarifier. So basically, it just helps to control excess oil or sebum production on the scalp. It clears away product buildup, dead skin cells, dirt that may be on our scalp. So, a couple of benefits of using fenugreek on your scalp is that it provides deep hydration. It seals the hair cuticle, it helps manage frizz, flyaways, it seals in moisture to the hair, adds shine and softness. It also tends to eliminate dandruff causing microbes and reduces flakiness. So, if you have scalp issues, fenugreek is for you. Keep in mind, fenugreek is also rich in protein and iron, and it does help to reduce hair fall and breakage while also improving blood circulation to the scalp. Now, as far as how often to use this hair growth spray, I am only spraying this on my roots. And on my scalp, and then I'll give myself a scalp massage right after. And sometimes I'll also pair it with the oil. So I'll spray, massage, oil, and then like massage again. That's just my routine. Make sure that you all are doing what's best for your hair and for your routine. Okay, so it's very important to know what works for your hair. If you don't know how often you should use something or try something out, start out with like 1 time a week. See how your hair does. After that, go to 2 times a week. See how your hair responds. Pay attention to your hair, and you will definitely learn what it likes and what it does not like. Um, Another thing that you can do with this spray, you can mix it into a moisturizing deep conditioner. So that will also add to the benefits of your deep conditioning process and your spa treatments that you do at home. I also want to add a reminder, please do not throw away your fenugreek seeds or your rosemary that we used when making this hairspray. You can freeze it in a sandwich bag, put it in some ice cube trays, because you can also make a conditioner with what is left over after you freeze it. If you want to know how to do that, watch my next video where I'll be showing how to make the conditioner. And don't forget to tell me in the comments if you made the hairspray and what you liked about it or didn't like. Thanks for watching.